Hello and welcome to CanadianAgMarkets.com. My name is Brian Como. I don't have the time to do a full video today as I got caught up in a different project. But I just wanted to run through what the markets did today just to keep the cadence going. So canola was up $1.50 today. It closed at $619.60. It was not able to break the 20-day moving average, but Minneapolis wheat did break the 20-day moving average. It was up 5 1/4 today at $5.73. It was quite volatile, particularly in the opening bits of trade, even prior to the major open. Kansas wheat didn't do that. It didn't break above the 20-day moving average, but it did. But Chicago did. So there is some green shoots in wheat, or at least some signs that it may be getting tired of being bearish. Both the row crops, corn and beans, kind of consolidated near recent lows today. We closed soybeans at 10.12 1/4, and we closed corn at 4.25 3/4. Soybean oil was off a touch. Not a big concern for me at this point. It is still kind of consolidating near recent lows. The Canadian dollar was down though today. It was down below, yesterday it was also down below 72, but we're pretty decisively down below 72, about 71.70. That's below the previous low of 71.80. So there is a bit of a bearish sentiment right now in the Canadian dollar. There also is that in the cattle market, which did shrug off some of the gains recently. Live cattle closed at 234 or just above, and feeder cattle closed at 250 or 352, just above that actually. Both were down pretty heavily, especially feeder cattle. So there is kind of some signs that the bullish sentiment in the cattle markets is a little bit getting exhausted. So they're still near highs though. So if you still need to hedge some cattle, would recommend doing that. But thanks for tuning in. We will see you again tomorrow.